If you're wondering if your analytics data is accurate, in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can check if Google Analytics is working, including multiple Google Analytics checker tools. So let's get started. Number 1, check web traffic in real-time reports. Now when you first set up Google Analytics, it's going to take 24 to 48 hours to start showing up your website traffic in the reports. However, if you go to the real-time reports, you can see if Analytics is working properly or not right away. To see your real-time reports, open your Google Analytics 4 property and navigate to Reports and then to Real-Time. Or in Universal Analytics, just head over to Real-Time and then Overview. If you're using MonsterInsights, you can see real-time reports right in your WordPress dashboard. On your admin sidebar, just go to Insights and then Reports and then click on the Real-Time tab. Now, if you see that there are active users on your site, it means that Google Analytics is tracking your visitors. Number 2, use a Google Tag Assistant tool. While the real-time report can tell you if data is being tracked, it can't definitively help you see if you have a duplicate tracking code installed on your site and your traffic is being doubled in the reports. So to check your website for duplicate tags, you can use the Google Tag Assistant tool. It's the best Google Analytics checker tool for that. To use it, just head over to tagassistant.google.com and you can choose to assess the domain right there or install the Tag Assistant companion browser extension in Chrome. We'll go ahead and click the Add Domain button to assess a domain. Now when you click Connect, the website that you want to see tags for is going to open up in a new window. Now leave that window open, but navigate back to Tag Assistant to check and see the tags that you've installed. As you can see here, we have a UA container and a Google Analytics 4 container, so there are no duplicates. Number 3, view the Analytics tracking code in source code. Another simple way of verifying that Google Analytics is working on your site is to view the source code of your site and look for your tracking code. This option works best for someone who's somewhat familiar with code. To start, you can use a keyboard shortcut to view the source code for your site. Alternatively, you can just right-click anywhere on the page and click the View Page Source option for your browser. Now, the wording might be slightly different depending on the browser that you're using. Here's what Google Analytics code looks like if you're using GTag. If you see this code present on your site, it means that Google Analytics is installed on your site. If you see the code, we suggest opening your real-time report in another tab to see if data is recording correctly. Number 4, use the Google Analytics Debugger. You can also check the Analytics tracking code by using another popular Chrome extension, the Google Analytics Debugger. Now to use this extension, go to the Google Analytics Debugger page in the Chrome Store and then click Add to Chrome. You can turn on Analytics Debug mode by clicking the extension icon in the extension bar. After enabling it, go to your website and then right-click and select Inspect. Now click on the Console tab. Wherever you see GTag spelled out in big letters, you have your tag installed. Or if you have Universal Analytics installed, you'll see Google Analytics. Number 5, get accurate data by excluding user roles from tracking. Now that you know how to check if your Google Analytics tracking code is working correctly on your WordPress site, you should also ensure that you're not skewing your own analytics data. So if you're using MonsterInsights on WordPress, not only are admins automatically excluded from tracking, but you can also easily exclude different user roles from being tracked as well. That way, you won't have your own team's traffic skewing the data. To exclude users from tracking, simply go to Insights and then to Settings, and then click the Advanced tab. Now scroll down to exclude these user roles from tracking and add user roles that you don't want to be tracked. If you'd like more details, then check out our guide on how to stop Google Analytics from tracking logged in users in WordPress. And that's it. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can check if Google Analytics is working on your site. With MonsterInsights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using MonsterInsights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.